Go.
Okay, so we have that side of the trans cross member behind me out. This side, we have one bolt that's stuck that we're grinding out still, which we've had to grind half of these bolts. Saw the booster and the master. The bracket here for said booster and master bolts through the frame. I got one bolt out. Now I got to try to figure out how the hell I'm going to get the other one out because it's on the other side.
Can you point?
It's like up in here somewhere. It's really not in a convenient location. I'll tell you that right now.
I see your finger.
That's good. That's good. If I can get this wrench.
Oh, Bradley's.
No. All right, let me try from the other side. Get that out, get that bracket out. Then we can wrestle with this last one. Pull it out, and then this thing will hang down.
I'm gonna get like...
And then we gotta do the bell housing bolt.
6 more bolts. That's it. And this bad boy's out.
This is day 2 of this operation because somebody went in all of their genius ideas and put booster master in the way and routed all the lines over. I bitched about it in every video, but everybody knows already, so who cares, whatever. It's just a lot of time, but oh well.
What do we say? What do we say, Bobby?
We're gonna get it done, and just...
Today's the day, right?
It's coming out today, no matter what. Because I've had enough of it, and you've had enough of it. And it needs to go to the trans shop.
Plus, I gotta talk to the guy. Yeah. Talk to the guy.
Yeah, good old Mark.
All right.
Give me a 9/16 socket, please. Right. I win, you lose. Chisel, grinder, hammer, punch. Got it out.
Chevy 0, Bobby 1.
All right, just did the vacuum line off the side of the trans, and it's full of fluid too. Great. So that means that diaphragm was bad. Finding all kinds of bad stuff. So we're gonna let this thing down onto the floor jack to pop the cross member out the rest of the way, and hopefully we can get this damn thing out. Well, that was fun coming out. Not really, because it's really heavy. But gravity did most of it. I was like, oh, there's one bolt left. I'm just going to let it ride. Yep. Good. Cast iron. Done. Out. It's out.
Thank God.
Finally, it's out. Scotty isn't even here, and his doorbell thing's annoying me. Bernsey thinks it's funny.
Well, I can't override it, so I can't play any music.
That's fine. Well, it's out. That means it's Mark's problem for a little while. Yeah, those suck.
That's a short, small, heavy son of a gun.
Yep. My Bel Air had one similar, but it was a regular Chevy bell housing, not this early style.
Yeah. And
it was longer because it was a regular drive shaft and not the ball, all that nonsense. So, it's out. When I hit the ground, Victor came over and be like, did Bobby fall down? Son of a bitch. No. But, whatever. It's out. That's done.
All the bolts are bag and tagged.
Yeah, we just got to get whatever miscellaneous hardware still on the floor, which we're probably going to be replacing because that's all the cut ones from the cross member. What a mess we made. All right. Oh, there's one of the bolts. Did it take a chunk out of the floor? It did.
I didn't need that chunk.
We didn't need that part of the floor. Hey, it didn't hurt our hose, though. It missed the hose somehow. That would have sucked if it broke that. Then it'd be stuck on the lift. Oh, so much fun. Anyway.
And Nick would be sad.
It kind of went bombs away. But that's okay. You know why? It's out. It's cast iron. It ain't going to hurt it any. It didn't hurt my arm anymore than it already was, so... Done! Done!